Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 Home Services project. In this video, we are going to learn about changing the login and register page layout. So let's see how can we implement HTML template on login and register page. You can see here, this is the default login page, okay, and here is the default register page. Alright, so now let's apply the HTML template on login and register page. Okay, so for that, switch to the project, and first of all let's create a new class inside the component directory. So just go inside the app directory, then views, then components, and inside this component directory let's create a new class file, okay, and file name which is base layout, okay, .php. Now let's open this file, guest layout.php file. Now select all the text and copy and paste inside the base layout.php file. Okay. Now change here the class name which is base layout. Alright. Now change here the view name. So write here layouts.base. Alright. Now save this file. Now close this file and just go inside the resources directory, then views, auth, and from here let's open the login.blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file you can see here the default code. Okay, now let's select all the text and comment this. Okay, now add here the layout tag which is x dash layout name which is the base dash layout. Okay, all right, now go to the template directory. So switch to the template directory. This is the template directory. Okay, and from here let's open login.html in any text editor. Okay, so right click and open with Notepad++, and from this file this is the header section, and let's copy this one. Okay, and also copy this section. So header, just select from here and to here. Okay, now copy this and paste inside the login.blade.php file inside this layout tag. Okay, alright, now change here the route name and just add here the / for home. Okay, and inside the form add here the action. First add here the method post, and inside the action double curly bracket route, and add here the route name login. Okay, and inside the form also add here the @CSRF. And for forget your password, just add here the forget password link. So for that add here double curly bracket, then route password dot request. Okay, and inside the remember, in this checkbox just add here the id is equal to let's copy this, remember _ me. Okay, just paste here, and for email field name email, id email, password, and for password field id password and name password. Okay, so here is the email field, id email, name email, and password ID, password and name, password. Okay, now everything is good and now it's done. Okay, so save this file and let's check this. So switch to the browser and go to the login page. Okay, so just click on login and here you can see the login page. Okay, alright, now let's implement the template layout on register page. So this is the default register page. Now switch to the project and let's open the register.blade.php file, this one, and here let's comment all the text. And now after this, just add here x dash base dash layout. Okay, now go to the template directory and open register.html file in text editor. Open with notepad and from this file let's copy this text from here to here. Okay, we'll copy this and paste inside this register.blade.php file. Okay, inside this layout tag. Alright, now here just remove this and add here forward slash. Okay, and inside the form add here the method post. Okay, and also add the action double curly bracket route and route name, which is register. Okay, and also add here the @csrf this one. Okay, this is the name field, email address field. Okay, this time we don't need the phone field. Okay, so just remove this. Name, email, password and confirm password. Okay, so name, email, and here is the password field and this is the confirm password field. Okay, and this is the submit button. Also change here the link for the login page, so add here double curly bracket the route and route name, which is login. Alright, one more thing, let's copy this one, validation error, this one. Okay, x dash jet dash validation dash error. Okay, this one, and copy this and paste before this form. Okay, also add inside the login form, login page. So from here let's copy this and in login page before the form just paste here. Okay, it's showing the validation error. Now all done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now you can see here the template has been applied on registration page. Okay, this is the registration page, and if I click on here you can see here the login page. Alright, if I click on the login without entering any value, you can see here the validation error message. Okay, and if I enter here the correct email ID, admin this one @surfsidemedia.in and password. Okay, now click on login and you can see here the admin has been logged in successfully. Alright, so in this way you can apply HTML template on login and register page. Alright, so that's all about changing the login and registration page layout. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.